Hello there, welcome to Vietsound channel. Today we're going to talk about the h sound. So are you ready? Let's get started. The h sound always occurs at the beginning of the word, like in the word hoa. Now let's see how to pronounce the h sound. First, the tip of your tongue is placed right behind the lower teeth. Your tongue will typically be positioned for the vowel that comes next. Now let's talk about the mouth shape. Open your mouth slightly and keep your lips relaxed. When you are pronouncing the h sound, you have to make an S stream by releasing a light stream of air, making very little friction between your vocal cords. And the last thing you have to remember about the h sound, that it is a voiceless sound, so you don't vibrate your vocal cords, like h, 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 hoa. Now let's try to say some words with the h sound. I'm going to say the word first, then you will have a few seconds to copy exactly how I pronounce the sound. The first word is ha, ho, hoa, hóa, hỏa, học, học, hên, hâm, hàng, hạn, hạng, hưng, hùng, hiến, hiếm, hương, huyện, hối hả, hiểm họa, hoàng hôn, hoảng hồn, hỏa hoạn, hấp hối, hoan hỉ. Now let's practice saying some sentences with many of the h sound. I'm going to say the sentence in 3 steps. On the first step, I'm going to say the sentence very, very slowly. Then I'm going to do it a little bit faster. And on the last step, I'm going to say the sentence with normal speed. Okay. Học, học nữa, học mãi. Now a little bit faster. Học, học nữa, học mãi. Now with normal speed. Học, học nữa, học mãi. Hà, học, hát, hằng, ngày. Now a little bit faster. Hà, học, hát, hằng ngày. Now with a normal speed. Hà học hát hàng ngày. Hoa, hăng, hái, học, hành. Huệ, ham, hội họp, hát hò. Hoa, ham, hóa học. Huệ, ham, hàng hiệu. Now a little bit faster. Hoa, hăng hái, học hành. Huệ, ham, hội họp, hát hò. Hoa, ham, hóa học. Huệ, ham, hàng hiệu. Now with normal speed. Hoa hăng hái học hành. Huệ ham hội họp, hát hò. Hoa ham hóa học, Huệ ham hàng hiệu. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to bring a smile into my face, you can support me by the link in the description. Thank you for watching.